Hi guys, how's it going? Boxed here, hope you're all doing well. I've ordered myself a new iPhone 12 that arrived today. I'm really looking forward to trying this out. I'm going to give a quick product overview and then we can get straight into the unboxing. Let's do this. iPhone 12 blast past fast, 5G speed, A4 Bionic processor, the fastest chip in a smartphone, edge to edge OLED display, ceramic shield with 4 times better drop performance, night mode on every camera. iPhone 12 has it all in 2 perfect sizes. I've gone for the normal size rather than the mini. Says it's 11% thinner, 15% smaller and 16% lighter than the previous generation. My current iPhone is actually an iPhone 8, so I'm going 4 generations up. 6.1 inch Retina display, and the OLED goes all the way to the edge. My iPhone 8 does actually have quite a big border, particularly at the top and bottom. The world's smallest, thinnest, lightest 5G phone. Ceramic shield, clearly tougher than any smartphone glass. 4 times better drop performance, which means I don't need to use one of those horrible cases. I've always disliked getting a really nice looking iPhone and then buying a horrible plastic or rubber case to put on it that makes it look like any other phone. H2OK, even better spill and splash resistance. My other one isn't splash resistant at all. 5 fresh finishes, I've actually gone for the blue. 5G on iPhone is super fast, so you can download films on the fly, stream higher quality video or FaceTime in HD over cellular with lots less lag, and you can do it in more places because iPhone 12 has the broadest 5G coverage worldwide. 1 trillion operations per second. A4 Bionic is the fastest chip in a smartphone. It pushes what's possible, like crunching trillions of operations on the neural engine or shooting in Dolby Vision. Even pro movie cameras can't do that. It's super efficient for great battery life, and it's ahead of its time, prepared to power pretty much anything that comes next. And it has the same chip as the iPhone 12 Pro. I didn't go for the 12 Pro because the main difference between the 12 and the 12 Pro is the camera, but I actually use a Sony ZV-1 for my filming, so I'm not buying this for the camera, and decided to save a bit of money and go for the standard iPhone 12, which still has a brilliant camera and all the other features. Super Retina XDR display, behold OLED. I love OLED screens. I've got an OLED TV and the colour depth is unbeatable. Our best iPhone display ever. Vastly more contrast, incredible colour accuracy, a huge jump in pixel density. OLED delivers bright, darker blacks and high resolution for everything you look at. This is the best iPhone display we've ever made, and it goes all the way to the edge. Dual camera. Welcome to the dark side. Both the wide and ultra-wide cameras now have night mode, and it's better than ever at capturing incredible low-light shots. The new wide camera brings in 27% more light, so whether you take photos by daylight or moonlight, we get a level of detail and colour that wasn't possible before. That is brilliant because it's always been really challenging taking great night shots because it's really difficult to get the right level of exposure. And I actually found that even with my iPhone 8, just taking a normal HDR photo is better than a high-end Canon. The built-in HDR kind of processing is really good, really clever. Evenings have entered the picture. Just got some examples here of some of the photos you can take with it that all look brilliant. In very bright light, dark light, or a mixture. Awesome portrait mode with the blurred background. And also it's really good at filming. You can film in 4K at 60 FPS. It says it's 27% better at night. And it's also got really cool editing software built in. I've got iMovie, so you can record 4K HDR video with Dolby Vision, edit in Photos or iMovie, then zap it on your TV using AirPlay to see all that colour in detail. It's a start to finish cinematic experience found only on iPhone, which comes in handy when your dog does something adorable. First camera ever to record in Dolby Vision. So even though this isn't the Pro Max, it still has Dolby Vision, which is excellent. And the front camera is very good as well. Smart HDR3, Dolby Vision recording and more. And then some cool accessories for charging and everything like that. Charge is really fast. Battery life is much improved versus previous generations of iPhone. I remember the first iPhone was terrible in terms of the battery. It used to run out straight away. And there's a new operating system with pinned conversations, widgets, app clips. The box is noticeably smaller than previous iPhones I've had, so they've definitely cut down on the materials, which is good for the environment and the carbon footprint. And the other thing, I'm not sure it actually says it here, is the type of Wi-Fi that it uses. I've gone for a blue 128 gigabyte version, which I think is the right balance between specs and price. The normal size. The other thing I wanted to point out in the specs is the wireless signal. So it not only has 5G, but it also has Wi-Fi 6, which is the new AX format of Wi-Fi, which my new Asus router is compatible with. So it's much faster and it uses less power. So that's enough of the product overview and the tech specs. Let's get into actually unboxing it. Boom! Have it! As you can see guys, setting up the iPhone 12 is an absolute doddle, especially if you're upgrading from a previous version of iPhone. So there you go guys, there is the unboxing and first look at my new phone. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to leave you with some photos and videos taken with the phone so you can get a feeling for the quality of it, and I'll see you very soon. Take care.